All right, guys, today's haul, I'm gonna do a specialized Dollar Tree haul. I used to do themes a lot several years back, so I will try to link them down below, but today's theme, I'm sure as you saw from the thumbnail, is a lemon theme. Now, I definitely, I could have gone a little bit harder on this theme and pulled way more lemon items from Dollar Tree for you guys, but I think I was just way too excited to just get these items in front of you. So maybe there'll be a part 2 with lemons, because as far as fruits go within Dollar Tree, lemons I would say would be one of the most predominant fruits that you could find in a variety of items. I would also say pineapple and watermelon would be another one, but I'm gonna be doing all the themes. I'm gonna be doing so many different fruits, so stay tuned for those videos. Subscribe, hit the bell so that YouTube notifies you when I put out my videos. And then for those of you who are always tuned in, always watching all my videos, thank you so much for continuing to be here for me and watching my videos. But yeah, also it is a very rainy, overcast day, so I hope the lighting is okay as well. But yeah, so anyways, let me go ahead and share with you guys what I did find from Dollar Tree that are lemon themed. So one thing, I went ahead and pulled this straight from my freezer. I'm gonna do it first. But it is this ice pack. I've already hauled this like a couple weeks ago. They also sell this in watermelon and orange, so you'll see those in those respective videos. But here is the lemon ice pack, and it is so cute. I'm gonna go in with a bang on this next item. But I found this lemon cooler lunch bag. Yeah, 18 can cooler, so 18 cans can fit in here. This is part of their bonus, but for $5, I just feel like that seems like quite the steal. It seems so well insulated and just well done for $5. Like, I truly can't believe that. So you've got this huge space here that's gonna fit 18 cans. There are no pockets on the inside, okay? So it's just that, but you do get pockets on the outside here, and then you get a little zipper front thing, and it's also lined in the front as well. So that's just super nice, and I really think that the pattern is what just honestly got me to get this. I think the pattern is really pretty. It doesn't look cheap to me. It doesn't look like it's $5. Like, it looks like I went on Amazon and paid like 20 bucks for this thing. That's just kind of what I feel when I see this. And then it does have the strap, so that's a really nice feature. Yeah, so I found this lemon themed, and again, there's so much that I didn't get, by the way. There are a lot of lemon things that as I was shopping with this fruit in mind, I was passing up on quite a few things. I mean, they have wreaths with lemons on it, and yeah, all kinds of things. Okay, next up, you've seen me haul this, but they've got the lemon napkins, the little slice, super cute. Even though we are talking about lemons, I kind of wish that they would do this in a lime version. I would love these in a green napkin, but they've never done them. So I don't know, I've never seen them. You guys saw me haul this a while back, but this is probably one of the cutest things that's gonna be in this haul. This little lemon freaking bath sponge. Like, it is just darling. And I'm just a sucker for a good theme with gift giving as well. So if you're gonna do, let's say you wanna do a housewarming present, this little lemon sponge with things like this lemon hand soap in a gift basket, for somebody just moving into a new space, a new home, this would just be so cute in a gift basket. So as you can see, we also have this lemon hand soap. Love her, used her. And then we've got the garden gloves with the lemon print. I also love it when they use blue as well. Obviously, blue and yellow pair so good together. So I just think that this print was so well done by Dollar Tree. Then we have this going on. So this is a combination of lemons and oranges. I went ahead and decided to get it anyways because it does include lemons. And I actually really love this pattern. The yellow and the orange with the splash of green is just so pretty. So they have like a whole theme with this in mind. I also picked up the tablecloth. So they also have this going on at Dollar Tree as well. You can see the lemons there, so pretty. Y'all saw me trip out in my car over these. I did, I stroked out pretty hard. These are the rubber bands. And I went ahead and pulled the lemon for today's video, but they have all the other fruits as well. But like, look how cute this little lemon. And then it's a little Ziploc bag. So once you kind of like, you know, go through your rubber bands, you could always save this for something cute. So love that. And then we've got dishwasher cleaners. This is why I love Dollar Tree. I mean, we're seeing a variety of lemon things, from cleaning products to decor to accessories to gardening. And we have, of course, there's going to be a lot of lemon themed items within Dollar Tree that's cleaning related, because that's a, you know, it's a fresh cleaning scent. So this is a dishwasher cleaner, and it fights mineral and lime scale deposits, and it is lemon scented. So that's super cute. So we got that. And then we have this Wizard Naturals infused with essential oils. This is a fine fragrance mist. It's a mood brightener. It's invigorating experience. Why are they trying to sell it so hard? But this was labeled as sunny citrus. So this wasn't exactly labeled as lemon, but lemon is there. So I also thought this kind of would fit in today's video. I don't know if that counts or not, but like, there she is. And again, I'm just gonna pull these out because not one of these things has a lemon on it. And I've already done a yellow themed haul from Dollar Tree, but it was a very long time ago. I feel like I need to revisit all of my color themes again and do them again. So please comment down below, let me know what color you wanna see. And I will just shop all of Dollar Tree as much as I can and find items in that particular color. I'll link my yellow haul down below. It's pretty old, but in case you want to see like older items from Dollar Tree, I'll include it. So is this lemons? No. But when I see it, it gives lemon to me. So this doesn't really count, but like here we are, you know? So there's that. Then we've got, I mean, it doesn't get any more lemony than this. A pair of really cute flip-flops. I love the yellow glitter strap right here, so cute. I was so glad I found these in my size. These are just really great flip-flops. I will say the only thing I've struggled with in the past with Dollar Tree with these is that these come through. There was a time where I actually hot glued mine and it worked. I did, I hot glued it. I hot glued this little thing to it and it was just fine. These seem like they're just made a little bit better. So I haven't bought flip-flops from Dollar Tree in a minute, so I'm not gonna hot glue these. I'm just gonna kind of walk around, see how well they hold up. But that is something I've done in the past, FYI. So cute little lemon flip-flops. I mean, hello. Candy. Honestly, there's so much more lemon candy, but, and I know it's out there, but at the time when I was going to these Dollar Trees, this was all the lemon I could find. So these are the soft and chewy lemonade, like Twizzlers, essentially. So super cute. These will also look darling in a gift basket. So, but yeah, Dollar Tree has like lemon drops and all kinds of little candies, but for whatever reason, when I was in Dollar Tree, they didn't have those in stock. Then we have this beauty right here, like, hello, Lemon City. It is just a wooden garland, like beaded garland, so cute. Tier tray, wherever you have your coffee station or your drink station, your tea station. Like, you know, there's that. And then I picked up some hauls. Honey lemon. I really was just trying to do anything lemon, no matter what it was. So we've got cough drops that are lemon. I also went into the automotive section and was trying to find anything lemon there. I know it exists, but it just wasn't in stock. Then I picked up this bar of soap. I've hauled this before. She's a beauty. Love her. This is the oatmeal and verbena. Am I saying that right? Now the thing about this is that it shows a lemon, And I think that that's part of the verbena part, but like, I don't know, talk to me, tell me, is that true or not? Because like, what's up with the lemon print? As far as the scent goes, I'm just gonna open this up, show you guys that the bar of soap is not yellow, so. And I do get lemon. Like, it's very lemony, and it's just, oh, it smells so good. So, there she is. You already know, like, I'm just gonna hold this up, but you already know I've been hauling these a lot. As you can see, there's limes and oranges involved in this. It's a little like honeycomb garland with a citrus theme, but there are lemons in here as well. So I thought those were super cute. And as I showed last time, I'll show it again, but I wish they were a little bit more yellow. Now it's looking yellow on screen, but in person, I wish it was a little more yellow. It's kind of like on the darker side of yellow. I wish it was like a brighter lemony. But again, the camera is really showing it brighter than what I think it actually should be. Then we have the wax melts. This is an iced lemon biscotti. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this when you're doing a lemon theme. I love the name of it, iced lemon. I really like that. I love when they like give us more than just lemon, you know, or citrus. Like, I don't know, it just gives it a little something. So I really love this. And by the way, I've smelled this. Yeah, it is such a good scent. I would definitely say that this can battle out the wax melts at Walmart. This iced lemon biscotti. And what's crazy is when you smell this, you don't get like this pang of lemon, because it's like there's that biscotti and the iced effect. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it's good. I like it. So anyways, there's that. Look at her. She's precious. Like, star of the show in this video, I think. This is a lemon blender travel case. So it's a travel case like it says. You put your beauty blender in here, and just, you also don't have to use it for that. If you just love lemons, go grab this and put this in a tier tray as a little decor piece. Hello. You could probably even somehow turn this into a garland if you wanted to, and picked up several of these. But yeah, so absolutely precious. Love this little thing. So we have that. Here is another example of, is it lemon? No, it's not lemon. But to me, because it's yellow and something about it, you know, obviously this is a flower, not a lemon clip, but she's cute nonetheless. So really, those need to be saved for a yellow theme, but I pulled it for today's video, so I might as well show you guys, you know, I guess what my brain was thinking, even though it doesn't apply. This I thought was so pretty. It kind of gives me like iced lemon pound cake, like from Starbucks. You know, I don't know, it's just so pretty. Love that. So does it count? No, I don't think so, but here we are. This goes with the lemon napkins, but they also have the lemon plate. So cute. It really makes me just like wanna like throw a garden party with a lemon theme. Then we have this air freshener. I guess this is in the automotive section. You can maybe put this in your car. I don't know if it's intended for the vehicle, but it is a lemon lime scent. So that's super cute. Then we have her. Now this counts, right? Like this is totally lemon. This is a hair accessory. This is not lemon, but like, you know, but I just hauled this not too long ago and I was like, oh yeah, that's gotta be in the lemon theme haul. Then Juncture put out this and she's beautiful. Love the bashful rose color in the backdrop here. For me, I don't like these scarves to wear, but I think they are beautiful to add to a straw bag. Then we have these iPads, the Be Pure iPads with the lemons. And what's interesting to me is that the leaves are blue. I don't know if they intended green, but they're blue, and I get it because whenever you do see lemon things, you see blue mostly coincide with it because it makes the yellow pop. So maybe they did intend blue, and honestly, blue's cute. Maybe if they would have done green, it wouldn't have been. I don't know. What do you guys think? And then I picked up this right here. Now this has several fruits in here. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna pull just the lemon from here so that you can see it. But she is super cute. Paired with a lime, that's fine. But yeah, so if you're doing any kind of lemon themed party or anything, I really wanted to try to find as many lemon things as I could, even if it's like a one-off thing like this. And that's it for my lemon theme for today. Like I said, I really went back and forth. I wasn't even sure if I was like ready to release this video because Dollar Tree really has so much lemon stuff. But I don't know, if you need a part 2, let me know. But that's it. That is what I found from 2 different Dollar Tree trips within the same day. And I'm so excited to do the next fruit as well. But please comment down below. Let me know what color theme you want to see. Do you want to see yellow next? Do you want to see green, black, white, red, orange, purple? I've even done rainbow. I've done like a farmhouse theme where I tried to find all farmhouse things throughout Dollar Tree that gave that effect. If I did a farmhouse theme now, oh my gosh, the haul would be huge because Dollar Tree has so much. Even in the Crafter Square section, it is crazy how much they have. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you want to see from me next. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.